Hi everyone, this is Dr. Barrow again. This is just a very brief concept of how you should find this course in your Canvas shell and how you should navigate through it when you get there. I'm at my dashboard, and when you log into Canvas, this is where you will come to. I'm going to click on this course 507, and it's going to take me to this page. This is going to be just a synopsis of everything that you might need to get started. It's got your nursing faculty. That's not just going to be for this course, that's for the entire nursing department. Some JSU library resources, some general advice about JSU, an advancement here, your academic calendar, and your grades. So we're going to go to Start Here. This is going to provide you a brief introductory video. As you scroll down, it's going to tell you about the class. Then it's going to give you an option to click to see your faculty, your communication policy, your calendar, which is going to be important. You're going to want to download a copy of this. And the same thing for the syllabus. Working your way down, some other things you might want to pay attention to, although you should look at everything. The required textbooks. Here is your grading allocation as general for the class. All of your grading rubrics will be separate for each assignment. Some important information that you need to know in general, like our DSS policy and our professional scholars code. All students must adhere to this professional codes. Some testing and proctoring advice. Your grading rubrics, which, like I said, nothing is going to be under this section for this course. Those are going to be individual to each assignment. And then it's going to tell you what to do next. You're going to have an assignment for this course saying that you have read everything above. It's in detail here, and you're going to complete that and submit it. When we go to that assignment, it gives you instructions for how to do that. You can hit next, and there's your assignment. Alright, so spend some time working your way through the Start Here. That's important for getting started in the course. Then I came over and I went to modules. If you look, this course, if we're going to go all the way down, it actually has a total of 13 modules, with the 13th module being simply the comprehensive final, which is not open for you right now. So your focus after you finish Start Here is going to be in Module 1, and you can start by going to that module. Again, you're going to have an overview of what to expect in the module. Each of these will have some resources to enhance learning. Some will have more than others. And while they're listed here, where you really need to get in depth with those is on the next page. I hit next. There's your resources to enhance learning. Sometimes you'll have videos. Sometimes you'll have PowerPoints. We have what's called Cocky's Cliff Notes, which has been faculty members who have gathered information from this area and put it together for you. As I said, each module will have different resources to enhance learning. We're going to move forward again to your assignment. You can read about your assignment. It will also give you a grading rubric. This is very important for any of the classes that you take. Please always read the grading rubric for any assignment. You may provide a wonderful assignment that's well written and well documented, but if you didn't follow the grading rubric, we can't give you full credit for that. So please, for any course that you take at JSU, follow those grading rubrics. And then you're going to have a submission where you can submit that to me to grade. This will be very similar for each of your modules as you work your way through. Some other helpful things for you here may be the grades section. While you can go to different areas to locate the specific thing that you're looking for, a good way to find things just in general and to get the feel for Canvas is to start with your modules. This course is set up that way, and so you can see everything that you will need to see. I may have some things on my screen that you don't see over here that are not that do not have this green circle. That's okay. You shouldn't see those. There's nothing for me to put there. I have saved it in case there may be something to build in the future, but you will not need to worry about those. As I said, this has been a very brief overview to Canvas. Please let me know if you have questions that are more in depth than what I have covered here. Also, let me add one more thing. Your discussions will be right here. Some classes will have more discussions than others. Some won't have any. So you have just a couple of discussions to go in and post. Again, all of the things that are listed here that don't show a green dot, you will not see. But you will see your welcome and introduction. So that is your main discussion area to focus on right now in this course. Each course you have will be different. Alright, and then when you're finished and you would like to look at another course, you're going to go over here to the left and go back to your dashboard. Thank you guys, and I look forward to this semester.